Drones.
టీవీ అవసరం లేదు, టీవీ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి చూడు. అదే వచ్చావా?
What is this?
PSLV Polar.
What is this?
Drone.
This
I
is
don't know
drone.
which drone is this actually.
Okay.
Name
This
of the
is
drone I
drone.
don't know, but it's a type of. I think military drone. It must be.
Oh.
Because it's not used.
This is real, na?
Yeah, it is a real. I think so. Do not hold.
God damn.
This is called a flap. You know this one. They written on. Do not hold it.
Oh, it's meant.
Like in order to control that, this is being this.
Okay. Nice. Guys, this is real drone.
Not real jet engine. It is all about internal. Like what are the components, internal components of a jet engine. I think this is a turbo jet engine. I think so. Maybe.
Turbojet engine.
Or maybe I don't know which engine. No, not turbo jet engine. Sorry, propeller only. Because blades are there.
Nice. This is the jet engine, guys.
Yeah,
Real.
propeller. Cellphone graphics computer.
This is very old, I think.
This vintage Asus.
Wow. This is motherboard.
I think this one. Computer.
Data center, no? Hmm?
12,000 kg each, right?
This is the data center. You need to maintain the temperature also.
Whole data is stored here.
Wow. There's pipe also there. Not miss.
Yeah, as they say, because it's a random event, we cannot predict earthquakes. But I have
we can forecast the earthquake when it can come. Like within 30 years, some earthquake can come on this point.
have you heard of SSGOS, Frank Ugerbins?
Yeah.
He had predicted earthquakes, Turkey earthquakes. He had become internet sensation during that time.
Yeah.
Also, I have come across one study where they say before any earthquake happens at this place, 1 week or a few days before, there will be fluctuations in geomagnetic field, which can be detected with the help of magnetometers. With the help of that, we can predict earthquakes.
We cannot say this is for the earthquake actually. This is an event we can detect them, but we cannot say this is actually happening for the earthquake. Some earthquake is coming. We cannot exactly predict that.
I have come across one study by Dr. Masashi Ayakawa, seismoelectromagnetics. He does research on that. He says earthquakes can be predicted with the help of LAI coupling, lithosphere, atmosphere, and ionosphere coupling, where they say like before any earthquakes happens, there will be geomagnetic fluctuations in lithosphere.
Can you do that
I
thing?
have come across one study where they say that solar proton density is responsible for earthquake. Like more, like on the days when solar proton density is more,
captured.
earthquake
Oh.
frequency is more. They
Thanks,
work on reverse isolation.
One more.
Where they say like there's a stone actually.
Oh.
Okay.
So there is some accident. Okay.
Okay.
What is this? Like?
Diagram of rock cycle.
Diagram of block cycle.
There's obsidian.
So sediments, they goes the transportation, the gravity, winds, water, all these things. So either they go to the mountain, somewhere in the valley or somewhere with low altitude, call them for example sedimentary sandstone, or if they go to the ocean, call them limestone.